Hey everyone, thanks for watching. In today's video, I'm talking about the Christmas/holiday theme on the Cisco Room OS video endpoints. You can see snow is falling, it's very wintry. If I wake up the video endpoint, it is going to have a Christmas or holiday theme as well. Snow is accumulated on all of the icons and snow is falling in the background. If you actually bring up the bar at the bottom, you'll see that a gingerbread family starts to march across the screen there. It's pretty cool. So anyway, if this is something you want to turn on in your organization just to spread a little holiday cheer, and if you can get it past that Grinch of an approval person, the trick to this is very simple. Go into your control hub. You want to grab your org ID. You can simply just find that under account, copy it out, and then I have a form in the comments section of this video. Go in there, paste that in, put your information, and you want to select whether or not you want this enabled for every video endpoint or if you want it just on the early release video endpoints. And Cisco will get this theme enabled for you. Don't worry, you're not going to have to deal with this until March. This goes away on January 1st so that you're back to business as usual come the new year. So anyway, if you have comments, questions, tips, tricks, leave them in the comment section below. As always, I would love to have you hit that subscribe and the thumbs up. Otherwise, we will see you soon. Merry Christmas.